Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can simply download and install HeidiSQL in your computer in a very simple way. HeidiSQL Visual Database Manager for MySQL, MariaDB, and PostgreSQL. So how you can simply download it? Very simple. You have to open any of your favorite browser, then simply come over into the search option and simply search for HeidiSQL download. Click enter. And then you're going to get the first website over here. So if you click on that, and then you're going to select Windows 64-bit installer, click download. After complete the download, you're going to get the folder icon. Click on it 2 times to install. Now you can simply minimize all of your background tab. Simply click on install for all users. Click yes for the permission. Check I accept the agreement. Click next, next, and next. Next and install. After that, you can simply see that the setup is rightly done. And now if you click on finish, your HeidiSQL will be rightly open in your computer. So this is how we can download and install HeidiSQL in your computer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.